And another applications is the temperature controls of air conditioning. The objective is to keep the room at the same temperature. Actually, the operations of air conditioning is very similar to rice cooker. We first set a certain temperature. If the room temperature varies from the set temperature, the temperature control will begin to get the temperature back to the set temperature. The next application is the autofocus on a camera. Conventionally, autofocus in camera in old days back to focusing objects which are off center. Canon, which is one of the famous camera manufacturers, first introduced fuzzy logics to focusing functions in camera. Its operations is based on different rules, and the fuzzy logics determine based on the different rules, fuzzy logics determine the desired focus point. And the image, the best image is chosen just by the lens focusing. By applying fuzzy logics to applying fuzzy logics in autofocusing cameras, we can drive the lens to focus the focusing functions in the camera. For example, if the sharpness is increasing fast, we will move the lens fast in the same direction.
Okay, now I will introduce you another example, which is a washing machine. And so how long the washing machine will wash the clothes, it will depend on different conditions, such as the dirtiness of the clothes and the greasiness of the clothes, how many amount of water you need to apply. And if you use the fuzzy logic, so let's say basically you need 20 minutes to wash your clothes if your clothes is not very dirty. If now you have a degree of the dirtiness is 0.5, so you need 5 more minutes to add to wash your clothes. If your clothes is very extremely dirty, so your degree will be 1, so you will need 10 more minutes to wash the clothes. So you will need total 30 minutes to wash your clothes. Another example is the greasiness of your clothes. The same, you need at least 20 minutes to wash your clothes. If it is very greasy, so you will need more minutes to wash your clothes. So how will add these two conditions together? If we consider these two conditions together, it will become a 3D diagram. For example, in this point, it means that the greasiness and the dirtiness degrees both are 1, so you need to add 20 minutes more to wash your clothes. So you need total 40 minutes to wash your clothes. So every point on this surface will represent how many minutes you need to wash your clothes. So if you add another condition, such as how much water you need to add and how many times it should spin, so it will run to a more dimension and more complex diagrams. So here are the reference. Thank you. Okay. Any questions?
Okay, good. Any questions? think this is a very unique topic, the whole thing about fuzzy logic. In fact, you point out correctly that it's quite different from Boolean that we learn in class, and you tell us some basic. In fact, this is the first time that I hear a explanation of fuzzy logic in this form. Well, you probably know more than I do, but we have a class, 14-week, just on fuzzy logic. We used to have that class, we don't have it now. But it's indeed affecting our life, and fuzzy rice cooker, fuzzy washing machine, and so you probably have it at home. There's an air conditioning indeed, so I think this is a very well chosen topic. So explain it in your own way in the final write-up with the theory and some of the applications representing the degree of membership, right? Put the degree of membership into dirtiness and into temperature, then I think that it will be a very good comprehensive way, right? You use tall and short, but they use cold and warm and dirty and clean and greasy, right? So that if you can coherently tie them together, that will be a very nice report. Okay? All right.